How to fix Windows 11 not recognizing the USB devices. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, you can try using different ports of the USB devices. They should probably fix the issue, but if not, let's move on to the next solution. So for that, you have to search for Edit Power Plan in your search bar. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings, and from here you can select hard disks and USB drives. Once that is done, disable both of the option of plugged in options and then click on OK. Once this is done, next step what you can apply is the setting changes on your USB port. So for this you have to go to Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, you have to search for USB root port. It is under Universal Serial Bus Controller or USB Connector Managers. So once you see that, right click on it and you will see different options such as General, Driver, Details, Event and Power Management. Unselect the option of Allow the computer to turn off and then select on OK. After this, you can update your device drivers. And once that is done, you should be good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.